Hi, this is Florence here to talk about my SKO of Service Design 2020 Studio. In a welcoming page, it says Service Design Studio is a practical and theoretical learning experience of service design. To be general, this studio is introducing what is service design and how to put service design into design practice. For me, it is not only a field of design but a specification and construction of processes that delivers valuable capacities of action to a particular customer. For better understanding, I divided service design into three features. Interdisciplinary. Service design is an interdisciplinary approach that combines different methods and tools from various disciplines, such as product design is developing products with service applications. Graphic design is providing visual explanations. Strategic management tells why corporations do what they do. Marketing is used for attracting customers. Intangible and tangible. Service design is using a combination of intangible and tangible methods and tools. For examples, customer personas, expectation maps, service safari, service prototypes, and business model canvas. Customer-focused. Most of design fields are about fulfilling what the clients want while service design focusing on what customer wants. In the first assignment, we created a map of service design within 2 weeks. It is a challenge for me as too much work in such limited time. I was too stressed. In a group of 3, we distributed all works into both research and brainstorming. Gathering the researches of 3 saved time and allowed us to share knowledge. Each of us had more than one ideas and totally different to each other. As we wanted our map to stand out of the class, so we developed our map into a board game following the researches and made a storyline in logical order. It took us so much time and we had group meeting mostly 5 days a week. And I realized the importance of first assignment because we would use it in actual practice. The second assignment was about the service design conference that would really happen in 2020 in Melbourne. We were taking responsibility to make a lanyard for the conference. Co-design section was my first experience. In co-design, we provided several conversation cards and we had some further discussions. We managed all the strategies and designed 3 prototypes of lanyards. In midterm review, we got helpful suggestions from guests, but the problem was some suggestions were against each other so that we had to balance those into the most satisfying one. To know more about lanyard, we did service design safari to went to 4 conferences and interviewed some staffs. This was my first time knowing I can talk to a person in English for 1.5 hours. In general, even though we got lots of suggestions, we found most of people don't care about lanyard, but how to save our project, we came up with 3 points of solutions. Functionality, recyclability, and meaningfulness. Collaborating was the key of our solutions. We talked to other groups and combined their information in lanyard to make it not only a pass card, but a manual for the whole conference. For recyclability, we researched a paper and made print-out prototypes to see whether it worked. Regarding meaningfulness, we found and contacted with Aboriginal organizations in Melbourne to see whether they could collaborate with us to make straps. This was not only making the lanyard to be souvenirs but also supporting Aboriginal people. Finally, we designed the lanyard a 28 pages booklet and we got feedbacks in presentations that guests found our lanyard worked. Through the whole studio processes, communication was the skill I improved most. Communicating is the most efficient way of improving work because of its instant feedbacks. We used Service Safari that we got useful information after every discussions, which help us know what others thinking directly, and it's what we did in service design and that's customer focused. In future design practice, service design can be used in communication design, which is what I'm doing. As communication design aims to communicate information through visuals, we can also process in the way of what service design does. In research stage, use customer personas to think about what kind of design style they may like. Always do service safari to get instant feedbacks to share ideas and improve works. Doing prototypes of any printing works to avoid accidents before submissions. Another thing to mention is the friendship. Because of the group works and collaborations between each groups, I really enjoy the knowledge I built and friendship I earned here even though I went through all of the challenging works. This is all about my service design 2020 studio. Thank you for watching.